It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you. Stockings on fireplace, but in my living room a single one with my name, knit sweaters and lace, dressed up alone on the couch during cold winter days. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling, you, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling, you, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is if Santa read his letters, he will know that my wish ever since I remember has been the mistletoe kiss. I'll keep on writing letters, I'll keep on dreaming away in the waiting every holiday till the day I can say I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling, you, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling, you, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you. Just a rainy Monday, sitting at our table, 2 cups and an empty chair. You'll be gone till Sunday, everything's unstable. I was unprepared, the colors don't look quite the same, and the wind keeps whispering your name. If the world looks different, then it's you to blame. Oh yeah. So I count the minutes, I count the days, I count the stars and all the ways I feel your touch when you'll be back to stay. Oh yeah. Call you every night, I say that I'm alright, but oh, I miss you. Oh, see you missing you. Tell me that you want me, tell me that you need me. Nothing is the same when you are not with me. Ooh, 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 I'm missing you. Call you every night. I say that I'm alright, but oh, I'm missing you. See you in my dreams. It's torturous, it seems, but oh, I'm missing you. Missing you. Make me blue. You make me blue. Yeah, I'm missing you. You make me blue. Yeah, I'm missing you. Make me blue. You know I'm missing you.
Bright star atop a lighted tree, all wrapped up underneath, gifts in every shape and size. Toys aren't the only reason we celebrate the season. Christmas morning comes, opening our eyes. Gift beneath the stars so bright. Little faces beaming with delight, filled with awe and wonder at the sight. Gift beneath the stars so bright. Bright star that beckoned from the east, all wrapped up underneath, God's gift of love and light. A babe who would change the world for every man and woman, boy and girl, shining through the darkest night. Gift beneath the stars so bright. Angels' faces beaming with delight, filled with awe and wonder at the sight. Gift beneath the stars so bright. Wise men still come, and they still see the greatest gift we ever will receive. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. The season of peace is finally here, when family and friends and neighbors come to call, bringing love and Christmas cheer. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. The lights on the trees shine so bright. Hear carolers singing from house to house. Silent night, oh holy night. See mistletoe hanging in the doorway, inviting a secret stolen kiss. It's a wonderful, heartfelt time for everyone. Christmas time. It's Christmas time. See children skating merrily in the square. Smiling boys and girls with faces all aglow, waiting for Saint Nick to appear, to find their stockings loaded with gifts from their list. All the children of the world. Soon they'll believe that wishes do come true for every good boy and every good girl. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. The happiest time of the year. The joy it can bring to everyone, young and old. A joy